Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to do options on Etrade. Options contracts give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price by a certain date. You'll primarily encounter two types: call options, which let you buy, and put options, which let you sell. Etrade offers a comprehensive platform to engage in this type of trading, providing tools and resources to help you get started. Before you can begin trading options, you must ensure your Etrade account is approved for options trading. There are typically 4 different options trading levels, each allowing for increasingly complex strategies. It's crucial to understand which level you qualify for and the specific margin requirements, especially if you plan on using advanced strategies. This approval process helps ensure you have the necessary knowledge and financial standing. Once your account is ready, you can place an options trade. First, navigate to the dedicated options trading interface within Etrade. Here, you'll select your desired option contract, choosing between calls or puts, and define your strategy. When executing the trade, always consider using appropriate order types, such as a limit order, to control your entry or exit price. This helps manage your risk and potential returns effectively. Managing your options trades effectively is key to successful trading. Regularly monitor your open positions to track their performance and react to market changes. Etrade provides tools to help you easily close out a position or make adjustments to your existing trades as needed. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying informed and proactive with your trades can significantly impact your overall results and help you adapt to market volatility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.